Oh, and then I wanted to do the quick unboxing of the Silicone, which is supposed to fit on my Garmin. So we're going to do the Silicone unboxing and try and fit it on here right quick. This is the Tucita silicone case. It cost me like $10 on Amazon. By the way, the Garmin is $379, but you can get it for $349.99, $350 basically, if you catch it on sale. And there is a big sale coming up on Black Friday, aka Thanksgiving week, right? So this is it, the unboxing of this. This comes in this box. That's it. Look how cute it is. Nice. It's a silicone case basically for, wait for it, my Garmin inReach. Look, let's try and fit this in, huh? So this just kind of wraps around. And I just kind of pushed it into the satellite thing first. So trying to squeeze a rubber glove on. Okay, done. And I bought the red one because I wanted the lightest color for Arizona, right? It's very bright out, very sunny. So I bought the lightest color. It was either this or black. Obviously, I didn't want to go with black because of Arizona heat. Yeah, not a good idea. So I bought this red one instead. And it does look like I have trapped underneath the, you remember this little piece? It was like a little tiny, oh jeez. I'm gonna have to take it out and then redo it again. You remember? So like this little piece spins and this little tiny like felt, it's like a buckle almost, you know what I mean? Like this little tiny like piece of material made for a carabiner probably to like clip it on or whatnot, was trapped underneath the silicone. So let's try and insert it again without trapping it this time, huh? So first you do this part, you know, the satellite communicator piece. And then I'm going to make sure the back is out. This is harder than it looks. Then we're going to try and fit it in here. Jesus. Okay. Great. Love it. Ugh. Okay. There. See? Look. And it fits like a glove. And then see, this sticks out the back. That way you can clip a carabiner or some type of attachment to attach it to yourself. But that's what it is. It fits inside this little silicone case. It's nice and soft. And it's not weatherproof. And it's not waterproof. And also it's not susceptible to being broken and thrown on the ground because the screen can still be cracked and whatnot. But I don't know, listen, it makes me feel better having a silicone rubber case, especially in these harsh desert conditions. I'm glad to have this. So anyways, $10 on Amazon as a little add-on. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.